Welcome to the Tech Bond Molecular Bonding Systems 1-2 fixed video on how to repair a broken refrigerator shelf. Repairing this plastic shelf is accomplished with strength, quickly, easily, and cost-effectively. It's frustrating when a refrigerator shelf breaks. The broken part is always so small, but without this little piece, the shelf falls out. To reattach this little piece, you'll need the Tech Bond Molecular Bonding Systems Basic Poly Kit. The Basic Poly Kit consists of our structural adhesive, SI Blue, our activator accelerator, and our Poly Prep, an adhesion promoter that allows you to bond polyplastics and all other space-age polymers. In addition to these chemicals, there is an additional critical step in the process that will substantially increase the strength of the repaired refrigerator shelf. When plastic breaks, the two edges of the break fit perfectly together. Before starting, make sure the edges are clean. Saturate both edges with our Poly Prep. And let it dry. The Poly Prep dries the oils on the poly surface and etches that surface. Our Poly Prep is solvent-based, so it will dry quickly. Next step is to spray our activator accelerator on one of the edges. Now let it dry. It's critical to let the activator accelerator dry completely. Now, the step that substantially increases the strength of the repair. Heat. Take either a blow dryer or a heat gun and heat each edge for 30 seconds. Plastics begin to soften between 110 and 130 degrees. Now we can add our SI Blue to the opposite edge that we added our activator accelerator. And you can use the nozzle as a paintbrush. Align the pieces and press firmly for 20 seconds. Now use heat on the seam for 30 seconds. And your repair is complete. With this repair, you can put the drawer back in immediately. It will take this repair 7 days to fully cure, but the bond will handle normal wear and tear while curing. Be sure to check out our 1-2 fixed video library on how to repair other broken items around the home, shop, factory, or office.
Yes, your repair will be that easy. You may be asking yourself, how does it work so easily? And why does it work so well? The short answer? Chemistry. When used properly, our activator accelerator actually intensifies the chemical reaction that occurs when used with one of our SI structural adhesives. That stronger chemical reaction means a stronger bond, a more durable bond, a bond that is easily executed, and an all-around better repair. In addition to the 1-2 fixed instructional videos on how to complete your repairs, you can also find a step-by-step instruction guide that coincides with each video. We understand that you may still be skeptical, hence our guarantees. You can purchase any of our items individually, or to save money, you can choose one of our kits. Kits will save you 15% over the individual pricing. Just visit the shopping cart at www.tbbonding.com. or give us a call at 1-877-565-7225. Happy repairing!